Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna play around with the two best fifth scale I know of. We're gonna go with the Baja 5B, the new one with the 45cc that was a roller to begin with. If you missed that video, go ahead and click up here. Otherwise, we're gonna be going also with the Kraken Vekta Americana. So let's get right in the video and start putting these things to the test and running on this massive field. Let's go. Almost doing a wheelie. All right, let's race. 3, 2, 1, go. I can't tell. Man, you're wheeling a little bit. Let's try this again. 3, 2, 1, go. Yours is faster. Actually, I was catching up. I think yours is faster off the line because you have studded tires.
Maybe.
And mine catches up. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I still think yours is faster. I'm not sure.
Let's put the GPS on it.
Yep, let's put the GPS and try it out. See which one's faster. All right, we got it zeroed out. We got it put in the car, so we're gonna see how fast it goes. 45cc, let's see. If it goes over 40, it's faster than all the other fifth scale.
All right, here we go.
Let's do it. All right, let's see what she says. That brings the tires off the ground, the front tires off the ground.
Yeah, it does.
All right, here we go. Whoa.
Just about lost it.
That can't be right.
What is it?
It says 30 miles an hour. That ain't right.
Oh, that's not right.
That's not right. Let's try it again.
All right, zero it out. Show them zeroing it out.
All right, it's zeroed out. Those DumboRc, they go forever, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
If you want to get one of those DumboRc, I'll put a link down in the description. All right, moment of truth. Something ain't right.
I can't see it.
It says 29.
Raise it up. 20. There's something not right with that. Maybe last time when we ran it, we broke it because it flung across the blacktop. It's all tore up.
Now we ran it at the golf place.
Oh yeah, we did, didn't we?
39.
Something's not right.
Oh, it's 40 on the. We can run.
Not on the street.
No. Stayed in there.
All right, check it.
It's 30 again.
That thing's going faster than that.
Something ain't right.
It's beating the Kraken.
All right, this thing says 30 miles an hour. If you watch the last video where we had the Kraken getting chased by the police car, the Kraken was going 40 miles an hour. So you know something ain't right. So I don't know. This thing is not working correctly. I'm gonna reboot it and we'll try it again, but I don't think something's not working right. All right, we rebooted it, ran it on the Kraken off camera, and it got to 34 miles an hour. So we're gonna try it one more time on Jimmy's to see if it goes any faster, because I know for a fact that the Kraken was going 40 on pavement, but in the grass, that could account for it being slower. So we're gonna throw it on the King Motors one more time and see how it works. SLOW, that's what King Motors stands for. I'm just kidding.
All right, let's see what you did. Can't see it. Of course, it's so bright out here, I can't see nothing.
29.
29. Oh, there's something's not right.
The Kraken's still the fastest.
Something's not right.
Well, I don't know. It may go faster on the road.
Yeah.
That thing sits pretty low.
Yeah.
So we'll have to do some more testing. You got to remember, this thing is just barely broke in. It's not even to the point where it should be. So it's probably going to get faster, but we'll keep on trying it, dialing it in, see if we can get it faster. But hey, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the Kraken Americana. What you didn't see is that we flipped it off camera and broke the flags. So we may have got it on drone shot. I don't know. If we do, we'll throw that in there. But yeah, it's sad. But we still had fun. We loved the look of the Americana. Had the flags on the back of it. Yeah, this one's sad. This one broke too, so you know, it is what it is, but otherwise, you know, it's whatever. Anyway, until next time, thanks for joining us. God bless you. God bless America. Be empowered. Out of here. A trick. We're going to try to jump right there. I don't know if it's going to do it, but we're going to try.
He's going over the toilets. I ain't walking all the way over there. Oh, geez.